Next one we're going to talk about is using all your resources or all your senses as much as you can anyways to learn Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. So for my students, I have all individualized lesson plans. So I send them a video of what they're going to do beforehand, and then they do it in class. But also what I would like them to do is to write it down and say it as well. And we've talked about this before in the course as well. If I can watch it, if I can read it, if I can say it, and if I can do it, that's going to be hitting pretty much all the senses that I can do, minus being able to taste it, which would be gross in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. The more ways that you can get that in through different avenues, the better chance of you being able to do it live, and the better chance of you being able to remember it. So they actually say that there's different parts of the brain associated with the different senses, and maybe that's true, maybe it's not. Essentially, like, there's an auditory section of the brain and a kinesthetic section of the brain and visual section of the brain, things like that. So, and forget about your learning style, if you will. Try to get it in through as many. Maybe I'm not good with seeing it, like I have to feel it or whatever. So, but I still want you to watch it, read it, say it out loud, say the technique name out loud, kind of talk yourself through it, and then be able to do it as well. So even sometimes that's going to be dumb, and you're going to videotape yourself doing the moves so you can watch it as well from an outsider, third party perspective. But these are the steps that are going to help you get better at it. So a lot of these are going to seem really dumb. That's why when I have my students will go through techniques, and I'll say, okay, what move are you doing? And then I know what move they're doing, but I want them to say the name of the move, because then they're that much more likely to actually remember the name of the technique, and then associate that technique with that particular motion. So again, as many senses as you can get in there. Again, I want you to read it, write it, say it, hear it, and do it, see it, all that stuff. So as many as those as you can get out or get in, by all means, please try to do that.